Hello, students. Hello and welcome, everybody. This is Abhishek Tiwari here. Students, today I'm bringing you another video of your writing section where I'm bringing you another topic which is letter to the editor and application for job. Students, in the very first lecture today, I'll discuss and give you a video of a letter to the editor. So get ready. You will get to know everything, what is letter to editor, what is its format, and how to and an example I'll present you so that it will be easy to connect with the type of letters to the editor. Okay, so first of all, students, you should be known to what is the letter to editor. Students, in class 10th you have already studied about letters to editor, in which you have studied, especially how to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper and how you communicate via editor to the different departments, portfolios, offices, officials, okay, office holders, ministers, and several more. Okay, so this is the advanced way of writing it. The same format we are going to discuss today, so get ready to start with it. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you what is a letter to editor. Okay, students, so when we talk about letters to editor, so letter to the editor of a newspaper or magazine form an important part of the paper. So whatever the letter of a newspaper or a magazine, okay, form an important part of your question paper. Such letters voice the opinion of the people. Okay, this kind of letters, voice means they become a voice of your opinions of the peoples to the officials and provide them a platform to express their agreement. Okay, and these letters provide a platform to mass to express their agreement, okay, their disagreement or reaction to the news and whips contained in the newspapers. Okay, suppose you watched a news in the news channel, TV or newspaper, and you have to react against this news or in favor of that news. So you will have to write a letter to the editor of the newspaper, because the editor of the newspaper functions as the breeze or the nodal personality between you and the mass of people to whom you want to communicate. These letters can also raise issues of social, political, economic interest, and generally center around public reactions. Okay, so these letters raise social, political, and economic interests, and they generally raises or generally related to the public reactions. They provide to forum to the readers to express their strong feelings. Okay, these letters provide a forum, a platform to the readers to express their strong feelings and reactions to local, national, and international issues, where you will be able to express your local, national, or international issues. Okay, so this is what all about for letters to the editor. So this is really a very interesting, a very pragmatic method of writing, of any type of writing, where this type of letter is used, it is used to in everywhere, in every sphere of life. Okay, so in every age of life you will be benefited with this. So students, now let's discuss about the format of it. Okay, so today after explaining what is a letter, let me tell you the format of a letter to editor. Okay, so you can see here the format where sender's address, the first at the left corner, sender's address means the one who is writing the letter. Okay, then after the date, as I told you, the date after it in the same corner, date. Then after the editor to whom you are just concerning, okay, means the person to whom you are writing the letter means receiver or recipient. Okay, receiver of the letter. Then after subject, okay, subject you have to write like this, okay, in a phrase form or in a short sentences form you should write the subject of it. Then after you have to write the salutation. Okay, salutation you have to provide like this in the newspaper oh sorry in the letter. Salutation, it will be of dear sir, madam, respected sir. Okay, like this, these all are salutations. After writing these all, you have to put forward the entire topic of your concern, which is known as the body of the letter. Okay, body of letter, it will be known. Okay, so this will be known as body of the letter. Here you will describe your every concern. Okay, and then after finally you will provide a complimentary closer. Okay, after it, in the form of thanking you will provide a complimentary closer. All right, so after it, like your faithfully, this is subscription. Okay, then you will write subscription. After it, the name, it will show the signature. Okay, this is what the entire format of this letter, students. And doing this format, you will the format will also provide you at least 2 marks in the exams. Okay, so let's get ready to know, as I told you the format of it. Hope this format will be very helpful to you, and only this format you have to use in the examination, so that you could get the at least the marks of the format. Okay, then after, students, let us talk about the different things. Okay, now let's talk about the different thing, like a solve example. The page is fixed here in a different mode, but nevertheless I'll tell you this. Okay, so you can see here how it can be written. Okay, so okay, let's see. This is the example of the letter to editor. Okay, a letter to editor. Okay, how it can be written, you can also see like this. Okay, so you are Ram or Rajni. Okay, residents of Nagpur, you feel students should use internet mostly for gaining knowledge rather than wasting away their time merely on the entertainment. So write a letter on your concern. Write a letter in 120 to 150 words. The Harbinger means the name of the newspaper is the Harbinger. 9, Bandmarg, Hyderabad. Okay, this is the address of the sender, pointing how schools can control students net surfing at a school and enable them to use internet fruitfully, means beneficially. Okay, so let's see the you have seen the question, see the its practice. So students, this is the address 1E114 Nandavan Colony, Nagpur. Okay, this is the sender's address. Then after the date, okay, date in the format like 31st, okay, January, like this. Okay, January 2020, like this. Okay, you have to write like this. Then after the receiver's address, the editor, Harbinger, 9 Bandmarg, Hyderabad, and its code. Okay, after writing this, you will provide a subject. Okay, don't worry, I'm just give you a good size of it. Okay, so you will provide, okay, so now subject, control net surfing at school. Okay, this is the subject of the letter, control net surfing at school. After writing it, you will provide the salutation, dear sir, sir or madam oblique करके, like simply sir or madam. Okay, all right, like this. So a public school, you will start like this. A public school have modernized their libraries to provide internet surfing facilities to senior students so that they can complete their assignments better and also gain knowledge necessary to be well informed and do well in their exams. You will start like this, or simply you can also start that through the columns of your esteemed daily, I would like to cast the attention of the entire society toward a very important concern, that is, okay, like this you can also start. Okay, or simply this way you can also start, like it has given here. Okay, so however the schools have not introduced much control on the net surfing. However, schools have not introduced much control on the net surfing by students, resulting in the students wasting their time in entertaining themselves by playing interactive games. Okay, so you will provide that schools are not able to control the net surfing of the students, therefore students are wasting their time and they are misusing the the facilities of net surfing for not gaining knowledge but for also playing games and chit chatting with others. Okay, so therefore actually students should use the internet. You will also provide what should the student use the internet facilities, that internet mostly for gaining knowledge rather than wasting away their time merely on entertainment. So this will also lead to poor performance of such students. Means if student regularly will use this method, this would reduce the performance of the students in the exams, thus affecting the overall reputation of the school concern also. Okay, means this will also affect the overall reputation and the performance of the students as well. Okay, so now at last in a nutshell you will provide the conclusion of your letter. So in this regard, okay, in this sense, school must ensure that they install suitable software which will block content like in respective games and other sites which are prohibited unless this is done effectively. Okay, so the whole purpose of providing the net facility will be defeated. So the schools should control students net surfing at school and enable them to use the internet fruitfully for their gaining knowledge and studying only. Okay, so this way you will provide a suggestion in the nutshell in the conclusion, and then after the complimentary closure thanking you or thank you simply, then after the subscription yours sincerely. You can write also like this, like if you want to write it differently, so you simply write sincerely and then your, need not to write yours after that. Okay, sincerely your, truly your. Okay, and if you are writing like this, so you should provide yours sincerely. Okay, yours sincerely and then your signature, Rajni, Rajesh, Rajat, Ram, whatever the question has been given, whatever the name in the question has been given, you should provide like that. So this is what all about for today's lecture, students. Next day we shall discuss about, okay, next day we shall discuss about a very different type of question, a very different type of application for the job. Okay, and this will also be very important in future for you, so keep watching. Next day I'll provide a very important topic as well. Thank you, have a good day, students. Okay.